And in fact, why don't I do this? Why don't I show our NinjaTrader 7 owners what you would do to install it in NinjaTrader 7. How about that? So load your NinjaTrader 7. NinjaTrader 7 comes up with your charts. Remember, if you don't see your data, just click F. Always make sure you have the right chart installed, the right contract. To install a strategy in NinjaTrader 7, go to File, Utilities, Import NinjaScript. You don't open the files. And then just look for where you put it on your desktop after you've downloaded it, right? Find it on your desktop. I know where mine is, so you'll know where yours is, okay? Find the file, highlight it, and open it. And then it will install it into your NinjaTrader 7. And then to get a strategy onto the chart with NinjaTrader 7, you actually need two charts with NinjaTrader 7. The chart on the right is the indicator adjustment or the strategy adjustment chart. The chart on the left is the trading chart. So you right-click the right chart, click on strategies, double-click on the name of our strategy, slide it up, and now you have all of the items that you might want to adjust to make a strategy work, okay? Entry time, entry type, most often it's a breakout trade, profit targets, how many positions you're going to trade, and how many contracts you'll use. You're really only adjusting 5 to 8 items for every trade. It's easy. We tell you what to do. We teach you how to do it. Anything initially looks a little bit scary when you first do it, but it's really not hard.